How to collect students via QR code. Parents need to open a Line application. Click the Add Friend button. Click the QR code. Click on the Select from Device button on the left-hand side. Choose Student ID card from the album. Click to open the pop-up menu. Scroll down the pop-up menu and choose who will pick up the student. The request has been received. A confirmation message will be sent to the parent's email. For other, parents must enter the name of the person who will be collecting the student. This person must show their ID card to the teacher on duty. Thank you for your cooperation.